Hi! In front of me is Doogee S70 and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this Doogee. Firstly, go into menu, find recorder and click on it. Now click on this red button to start the recording, but firstly click on allow 2 times. As you can see, my recording is now on. You can pause it and unpause it by clicking on the same left button. If you wish to end your recording, click on the right one and tap on save. Then click on the same right button to access list of all your recordings. If you want to get rid of one of it, you can always hold it, choose the bin icon and tap on OK. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!